Welcome to the Marvel Group. Marvel has established diversified business interests in plastics, healthcare, textiles, chemicals, and retailing. At the center of this wide portfolio lies the PVC business, Marvel Vinyls Limited. An ISO 9001 certified company, Marvel Vinyls Limited began its journey in 1985 when late Sri Ganesh Das Chawla established its first manufacturing facility in Sahibabad. Since then, the company has grown many folds and has installed several additional units in Malanpur, Gwalior. The company now operates out of its corporate office in New Delhi, managing 5 manufacturing units and 3 regional offices across the country. Today, in the PVC products and building materials industry, Marvel Vinyls Limited is highly respected for the quality of its products and its adherence to strong values and business ethics. Under the guidance of the second generation of the Chawla family, Mr. Pawan and Pankaj Chawla, Marvel has witnessed exponential expansion and growth.
Good afternoon. The past decade has been transformational for our company. Marvel has built a strong foundation and has established a robust portfolio of products that enjoy an unrivaled reputation in the industry. Our professional board and top management is taking deliberate steps to ramp up our presence in several markets while expanding on our production portfolio. Today, Marvel offers the widest product range in the Indian PVC conversion industry. The Marvel Group strongly believes in giving back to the society. Our specialized healthcare Saroj Hospital and Heart Institute, located in Delhi, is just one example of our corporate social responsibility activities. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Rajesh Sharma, Vice President Marketing with Marvel Vinyls Limited. Over the years, our well-orchestrated business and research strategy has helped us develop products that address the needs of domestic as well as international markets. This has helped us attain a highly respectful image in the industry. PVC floor coverings. We create and present innovative solutions for flooring and interior finishes. We offer a range of flooring suitable for various applications such as insulating, anti-static, conductive, anti-skid, and even decorative flooring material. The entire range is offered in more than 150 designs and shades which are all manufactured in-house. PVC synthetic leather. Our superior quality synthetic leather is known for its durability and is well accepted in the automobile industry throughout the country. Our range comprises of various designs, patterns, and styles to suit all customers' requirements. We offer materials to various industries, out of which a few of them are shoe manufacturers, upholstery segment, automobile sector, garment and decorative industry. PVC films and sheets. We are the undisputed market segment leaders in the design, development and manufacture of PVC film and sheets for demanding and performance critical applications. With an extremely diverse customer base encompassing household and the industry users, we have a solution for every specialized application requirement. Technical coated textiles. Marvel Vinyls Limited has pioneered the creation of high performance technical textiles in India. Our core strengths lie in our expertise in textile finishing such as transfer coating, specialty coating, direct coatings, and PVC laminations. We offer single and double side PVC coated fabrics in addition to tarpaulin and awning materials. Customized specialty coatings. We are the clear leaders in providing PVC coatings on any kind of textile. Our expertise allows us to add any performance characteristic to any textile as required by the customer. We are capable of providing stain resistant, water repellent, flame retardant, insulating and even blackout coatings to fabrics in addition to many others.
Marvel believes that innovation is the backbone of any processing industry. We have assigned a separate team consisting of engineers, technologists, and polymer scientists who are engaged in seeking alternatives for making the process cost and energy efficient, maintaining cost and quality competitiveness, and developing new and innovative products. Marvel runs all of its tests in its in-house laboratories, containing equipment suitable for testing products as per Indian and European standards. Marvel has re-established itself as the industry leader, with its state-of-the-art infrastructure consisting of 6 calendaring lines, 3 transfer coating lines, an ever-increasing count of loom knitting machines, a composite tile plant, and 2 technical coating lines, along with all the ancillaries like laminators, multi-color printers, etc. Marvel currently operates the largest mix of multiple processing capabilities in the Indian PVC converting industry.
We at Marvel employ an enviable combination of industry expertise, skilled executives, robust processes, and leading-edge technology to deliver customized solutions to the market. Anchored to strong ethics, we are committed to building a multinational business that achieves growth while balancing the interests of our customers, employees, and the civil society. We have and we will always be guided by our mission to deliver cost-competitive products with unmatched quality while providing an unparalleled business service and experience. At Marvel, without making it too obvious, we do impact your life. If you would like to know how we do that, log on to marvelvinyls.com.